The Move command can be used to align objects on a grid or an axis. It can also be used to create new entities and move existing ones. As example, you can create rectangle. Type M, enter. Select rectangle. Enter. Specify for base point. You can click in top left corner. Click to another area. For practice, create a circle. Type M, enter. Select circle object. Enter. Click on center point. Click on center of rectangle. The AutoCAD rotate command rotates selected objects around a specified base point by a given angle. Type RO, enter. Select object. Enter. Specify for base point. Click center point. Specify angle, set 45 degree. Enter. For practice, use line command. Click on drawing area. Move cursor to right. Set length 200. Move cursor to right. Set length 200. And angle 45 degree. Move cursor to top. Set length 100. Move cursor to first point, hold until appear endpoint mark. Move cursor to top and click. Click first point. Enter to close. Create circle on top left corner. With radius 70. Use Move command. Move circle to right 100. And move circle to bottom 100. Select all object. And rotate 35 degree from circle center point.